guys, welcome back to my channel Hot of the Axis. My name is Shomi Paul, and in today's video I will be showing you how to deal with rough skin or marks on your skin or hyperpigmentation on your skin. So to create this cream for day purpose, I mean during the day, you need an empty container like this, and to this I will be adding aloe vera gel. Now I have done a video on the benefits of aloe vera gel. If you haven't checked it out, go to my channel and check it out, or click on the card above coming above, or you can also click on the link given in the description box below. So to this I will be adding around 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Depending on the quantity you would be needing on day-to-day purpose, you can take a little bit more, but because aloe vera gel is really light on your skin, and if you use makeup on a daily purpose, it also acts as a really good primer. So don't shy away from taking a little bit more. Okay, to this I will be adding around half tablespoon of olive oil. Now olive oil has a lot of beneficial properties. It also prevents the premature signs of aging. It also contains vitamin E, D, and A, and some of these are really beneficial for your skin. So once you have put it inside this mixture, make sure you mix it well. And to this we will be adding vitamin E capsules. Now vitamin E capsules has a lot of beneficial properties. It removes scars and marks, and once you apply this mixture directly on stretch marks, it can also reduce your stretch marks. So you can also use this mixture if you want to reduce stretch marks on a particular area. Vitamin E capsules are already used in creams and lotions to soften your skin. Okay, it comes in a packaging like this, and it costs around 20 to 25 rupees. Also the thing, if you do not have olive oil at home, uh, it's nothing to panic about. You can also use coconut oil, but make sure the the amount of coconut oil is little bit less, because it's heavy on your skin. But coconut oil also has a lot of benefits for your skin, so it can work as well. Or any essential oil if you have at home, you can use that as well. So to this I'm emptying out these capsules. I'm using 2 capsules for this, around 3 tablespoons of mixtures that we have created, and we will be mixing it well. And you can use this mixture during any time of the day. It has helped me to remove a lot of marks or hyperpigmentation if you have on your skin, on any part of your body, or like if there's white patches, because I've seen a lot of people face this problem, having white patches on their face, especially guys, because like they go out a lot, and a lot of them don't take care of your skin. Not generally guys, even girls as well. So if you are worried about how to get rid of those white marks on your face, you can use this mixture. You can clearly see the difference after application. Once you use it for 5 to 6 days, you will be able to see the results. Moving on, now we will be creating this night cream. To create this night cream, you would be needing a container like this, or somewhere you can store the cream for later use. I have taken around 1 to 2 tablespoons of moisturizer that I use on a daily purpose on my face or my body, or all around, that you are comfortable with. Any cold cream will also work, so do not have to panic about that. To this I will be adding again 2 capsules of vitamin E, and I will be emptying out the vitamin E capsules in this mixture and keep it for later use. Okay, the thing is, you can use it before going to bed. It works as a great agent to maintain softness and elasticity of your skin. Also, the fact that you can also buy vitamin E oil from the market as well. You do not have to invest on capsules if you're not comfortable to work with them, or if it seems to be a little bit of time consuming for you. You can also buy vitamin E oil. They worked equally great. They may cost a little bit more, but they are more handy to work with and more comfortable to work with. So once you create that, you can apply it directly on your skin, on your face, or any areas that you want to smoothen out or any affected areas. Okay, I would like to give one warning. People who have a tendency of having eczema that I have, I would recommend them not to use olive oil. You can use any other essential oil, rosemary oils, or any other oil that you have been comfortable to in applying with, because olive oil may increase the chances of spreading out your eczema. So with that being said, this is the end of my video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you in my next video hopefully. Bye, take care.